are days when you're too tired and exhausted, or you might have had a very long day and it starts showing on your face. On such days, what if you have to go out for lunch, brunch, dinner, or just a party? Well, this is me, Meena Devan, and you're watching The Health Site. In today's video, I'm going to share some tips and tricks, in fact, home remedies that you can try on yourself to get instant glow. Rose water. Rose water is an amazing organic product that will leave you with a naturally glowing skin instantly. Just apply some and let it set for 2 to 3 minutes and then clean it with wipes. It will not only remove the dust from your face but also leave you with a fresh and a glowy skin. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are known for their natural bleaching properties. They can lighten up your skin instantly. Just rub it all over your face. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes and wash off for an instant blush. Turmeric flour plus milk. Add some turmeric and raw milk to flour and mix it well to make a paste. Apply it on your face and let it sit for at least 5 to 10 minutes. The healing properties of turmeric and the moisturizing properties of the milk will leave you with a fresh, smooth and a glowing skin instantly. Lemon. This one is my personal favorite because of how easy it is to use. You can even use it on the go. Lemon has natural bleaching properties to it. Just squeeze some lemon juice or rub it directly on your face to get rid of all the tan. Potato plus cucumber. Potato and cucumber both are great for getting rid of all the dirt and tan, and together they work marvelously well. Just cut them and take out their juice, mix it well and apply it with some cotton on your face. Let it rest on your skin for some time and wash it off. You will surely notice a difference. Well, I hope this helps. Do share this information with your friends and family, and do let me know in the comments below that how was your experience. I hope this adds glow to your daily routine. Stay healthy, stay fit and stay smiling.